If you can't feel your lats in a cable lat pull through, you could be doing one of three things. So the first thing I see is people standing too upright, and you're limiting your range of motion when you do that. Secondly, and this is often a result of going too heavy, people's shoulders are rounding forward, their upper back is rounding, their traps are lifting because they can't push the weight properly. So lower the weight and do it properly. Thirdly, you're unfolding at your elbows. So you're turning it into a tricep extension, and we're not doing triceps in this exercise. So what you want to do is stand a good distance back so you have a nice stretch in the lat. And when you stretch the lat, do not lift your shoulders up to your ears. Shoulders are down and back. And we're going to think of driving our elbows down into our waist. That's where the lower lat inserts. So we're not unfolding our arms. We're keeping our elbows in a soft bend, but they are not moving. And we are pushing through the heel of the hand on the bar to engage the lats. So give it a go and let me know if it helps.